No lift shifting. I had the window downs for y'all. Was crazy. Holy shit. Got no lift shifting, is crazy. Go around town per engine sound around town. Shit is crazy. This car is so fun. Like, if you look at this and want a ZL1, get this bitch and get it a 6-speed. I'm telling you, you get a 6-speed, you ain't gonna never go back, brother. It's a cop right here. I'm telling y'all, bro, get this shit. Fast ass car, and it's a Camaro right behind me. Probably my homie that's in the group chat. I don't know. I'm the Liverpool. 212 MLMs. This shit on. I need to turn this on. Yeah, I mean, it's been a good day. I went on a little cruise earlier. It was cool. I couldn't really. It was random wet road, so I stopped after the first wet road. It was over with. I was trying not to keep up or nothing right there. I got slicks on the back, so going on twisty roads like that with slicks on while it's wet, it's not a great idea. Man, some shit happened with one of my car homies yesterday, so. It just nah, but it's fucking about to rain, as y'all can see. Fucking clouds right there. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know. I'm just talking, but yeah, the shit's litty, brother. Shit's litty. Great day. Don't have to work this week. Made helly money off my car already. It's been a great day. Got a nap in with my dogs. You know what I'm saying? So. I'm gonna let this up, actually. Let the sunroof up. Keep that recording as always, my boys. Can't wait to put the headers and shit on. Damn, the green light, not gonna go. God damn, I need brakes. I ain't gonna lie to you, my boy. Quick downtown, around the city with the GoPro. Oh yeah, it's about to rain for sure over here. Good thing I got a little cruise in before is that a Honda? Down there at the pool. I think he probably was behind me. Was it him? Terrorized downtown. Not really, but only thing you hear is my fucking brakes. Literally, straight brakes. Sorry though. I got a ZL1. It's okay. Oh, heard something pop. I ain't like that. I'll go this. I'm gonna go straight up, then go to, then I'm gonna go to the crib. What the fuck? Why the fuck is it just straight tents over there? They still doing this shit? That's crazy. Let's go up here and take some pics real quick. Get some little clips. God damn, why are you going so slow? Going slow as shit. I already got some pics here though. Oh, 12 right here. They niggas always right here. Some pics right here. I'm gonna just keep recording this whole time. I'm gonna just keep recording this whole time. Let me take this charger out. Still recording. With the car on. Let's get some. I'm gonna show y'all how I take this shit with the, and I got like the 2 of the Sonic things on too. Let's get to the cinematic mode. Put this shit down. I don't know where this car going, but oh, he's stopping, bet. Put the, this how you do this shit right here. Oh, I don't know what they're doing. Show you how to do this shit, brother. One clip. Now go to the back side, get another clip. Watch this cop pull me over when I. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep, you know what I'm saying? Now you gotta get this. That's how you do it. Now we going home. Still recording. Oh shit. He might follow me. He might not. I don't know. Fucking cares. Oh. Damn, I still got this movie. I forgot. Probably can put me over. He'd probably be chill if you don't. Good day though, brother. Good day. Good day. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to your boy. A lot of content. Follow my Instagram, Sway ZL1. Everything's gonna be a link in the bio, the description. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just end the video right here, man. Make sure y'all do all that, and I'm out, man. Peace.